This trade right here made me $3,000 in only 2 hours using a super simple system. Okay, so coming into the week, what I basically was looking at was for further buys after price had swept this higher time frame liquidity into an area of daily demand. Now, what made me look for the buys was essentially looking at lower time frames. Here we're on the 1 hour chart. We can see that price shifted back bullish post NFP, right? We had all of this momentum coming into the market. Price broke past multiple areas of structure to the left. And then throughout the rest of the week, price very clearly started to show that very clear bullish structure and intent over to the upside, right? So what I was thinking going into Thursday was where could we see price pull back into for more potential buying opportunities, right? And what I noticed was that we had this very clear hourly demand zone right here. So obviously we don't want to just blindly buy from this area of demand. So what I always do is go over to the M5 chart, and what I'm waiting for, as you can see in this case, which price did, is for it to shift back bullish in line with higher time frame. Then I very simply identified an area of imbalanced demand within this range. I set my limit on this demand zone with my stop just below the low, and I mechanically targeted a 1 to 3 risk to reward, which I do on every single trade to make my trading as simple and repeatable as possible. And as you guys can see, eventually price did consolidate and range towards the POI, and then impulses over to the upside and ultimately hit our TP.